How to log out Gmail account from laptop or computer. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open a browser. Click Gmail at top right corner and simply search gmail.com. And then you will access to the Gmail account. Click on the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. Now click on Sign Out button. And after that, you can easily sign in to continue to Gmail. So, in this particular way, you can easily sign out from your Gmail account. If you wish to sign in again, you can enter the same email or phone, and then you can tap on next button and enter the password and then sign into your Gmail account. In case if you forget email, you can hit this forget email link underneath the box and then you can recover your email. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.